RJ!
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Brap Genius. I'm going to be taking my cousin and her friend for a ride today. It's going to be their first time on a bike. So, the reaction should be pretty funny. We're going to see what happens. They're the town over, so I'm going to go pick them up. They live right next to a school, so I'll just pick them up there and just go from there. But yeah, enjoy the video guys. What's up cuz?
Hi. Yep.
Alright, let's hop on. Yep, just like that. There you go. There you're pro already. Alright, then hang on.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god, RJ! RJ!
What?
I'm like... oh, I just leaned forward so much. I haven't even gotten started. You crazy? I'm gonna die. Ah! RJ! Ah! No! Oh no, it's downhill. I'm gonna die. Ah! Oh my god! I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna die. Ah! Oh my Jesus! Ah! It's bumpy. So weird. Oh my god, RJ! I don't know how that camera quality was, but okay. RJ! No, no, no! Like hanging on for dear life. Oh my god.
You having fun?
Yep.
I hold them up, okay?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Oh, Jesus. RJ, when you go fast, I like fly backwards.
What's that?
When you go fast, I like fly backwards.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
One more time for fun?
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh no. Oh my god! Ah! Okay then. Ah. Oh. Am I getting off?
How was it? Fun?
Yeah.
Can you see the camera? No, it's never fun. Did you have fun?
Mm-hmm. That was so...
because you kept squeezing the heck out of me.
I was like hugging you. I was holding on for dear life.
What was your favorite part?
Probably the parts where you went super fast.
Yeah.
But they were scary the first time.
It's good though. Alright, well, we're gonna talk about it in a minute. Peace. What's up, Bo? You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Are you? That doesn't sound like you're very excited.
Well, I am.
Alright, I'm on it.
Wait,
Got it?
kickstand one down. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright.
RJ, stop. This is so fast. RJ, you're turning. I feel like I'm gonna fall off.
What?
RJ, stop it. Oh my, RJ. RJ, I'm gonna fly off.
You're gonna fall off. Don't fall off, just hang on.
I hate turning. RJ.
You having fun?
Yes, kinda.
Kinda. Are you more scared or are you having more fun?
More fun.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my, RJ!
Alright. You have fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Going really fast.
Yeah. You sure?
Yeah.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.